The Creality Halot-Mage Pro Resin 3D printer boasts an impressive maximum printing speed of 170 millimeters per hour, making it 3 to 5 times faster than conventional resin 3D printers. Equipped with a Dynax mode and ultra-steady dual Z-axis rails, the printer ensures smooth and delicate model surfaces with minimal wobbling, even for larger and heavier prints. Featuring a 10.3-inch 8K monochrome LCD screen, this printer offers ultra-high precision with a resolution of 29.7 micrometers, bringing intricate details like hair and fabric textures to life. The integrated light source, with a light intensity of 8,000 microwatts per square centimeter, ensures consistent quality across the build plate and speeds up the curing process to just 1 second per layer. A unique feature of the Halot-Mage Pro is its orange Mage Arch flip lid, which can be easily operated with one hand and effectively blocks 99.89% of ambient UV light. The automatic resin fill and withdrawal system, capable of handling 1 liter of resin in 30 minutes, along with the smart air purifier, makes this printer both efficient and user-friendly.